welcome to day 3 of my 90-day challenge. What a lovely day it is too, look at this. It's such a shit day. That's the Forum. In case you're not from Norfolk way and don't know Norwich, that is where Look East is filmed. I think we have some Norfolk radio stations up there as well. That's kind of cool, bit of cool information about Norwich. Yeah, so I am currently in Norwich. It's like 11:01, a bit late starting the vlog, I know, I'm sorry. So I'm here, meeting up with a friend, trying to fix his laptop. He busted it, he's also a YouTuber. I'll introduce him to you in like a few minutes when I get there. Yeah, he busted his laptop. No operating system, I think. So yeah, so we're in Starbucks. I found Connor, there he is. His camera's sharp, aren't you? Having a bit of laptop, 2 laptops. And we got ourselves a coffee. Well, he hasn't. I got myself a coffee. So yeah, donuts bust his MacBook, haven't they? Yeah, we're gonna fix it, aren't we? We are gonna fix it. We're gonna fix the laptop today. So finished laptop club. Connor doesn't want to be in the vlog. Again, what is wrong with you? We finished laptop club and we're heading to Maplin. To look at hard drives and things. Yeah, it's really fun vlogging and there's many people. So many people look at you really weirdly. It's hilarious, isn't it, Connor? He loves it. Too sexy to go. Right. That same walk that I did yesterday, back home. Hey, it's not far. Yeah, got back from Norwich. Got a couple things. I got a like gimbal Steadicam type thing for my GoPro. Probably got some clips. Maybe this vlog or maybe tomorrow's. I don't know. One of the two. Of that. I think it's pretty cool. What, 20 quid? Worth it, I think. And obviously fixed Connor's laptop for him. I believe he's starting vlogging, something like that. Check out his channel, Original Gamer. Yeah, definitely go check him out. I've not actually seen any of his videos. Don't tell him. So yeah, now I'm on my way home. Just sitting editing my daily vlog. What? Daily vlog. It's not a daily vlog because I'm not a daily vlogger. My vlog from yesterday. At my desk. That should be uploaded for me in like a couple of hours. But for you, that'll have been yesterday. And if you're one of my subscribers, you'll have already watched it. If you're not, what are you doing? Hit subscribe now. Keep up to date with my life. That sort of thing. Yeah. This makes me happy. Thanks, Connor. I'm now watching The Arrow. It's an amazing TV show. If you haven't watched it, actually I don't know. Yeah, it is available in America. If you haven't watched it, definitely watch it. It's such a good TV show. But I'm going to stop this vlog and I'm going to watch it because it's amazing. I haven't vlogged very much today. I apologise. Hopefully I'll vlog some more tomorrow. But yeah, I just haven't been doing very much interesting stuff. It's like 10 past 10, something like that. And so I'm going to head off to bed now. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. Make sure you do that. You can keep up to date. And I will catch you tomorrow, probably. If you stick around, that is. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.